I'm very sick, by the way, that Chika Kaseko to come here and say thank you so much. Thank you so very much. We want to know Okujo Bogira Muganda Vereji.